Welcome back to AutoSpecs, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of cutting-edge technology. Today, we are shifting our focus from cars and bikes to something equally powerful in modern warfare: the Aerorozvidka R18 drone. This drone has become a game-changer for Ukraine's defense forces, proving its effectiveness on the battlefield. Let's dive into its specifications, design, and cost to understand why it has gained such importance. Introduction to the Aerorozvidka R18. The Aerorozvidka R18 is a highly specialized octocopter drone developed by Ukraine's Aerorozvidka military unit. Designed for combat, surveillance, and precision strikes, this drone plays a crucial role in countering enemy tanks, artillery, and armored vehicles. It became widely recognized during the Russia-Ukraine war, where it has been used to great effect against heavily fortified enemy positions. Unlike traditional combat drones, the R18 is built with mobility and stealth in mind. It is silent, lightweight, and can operate at night, making it extremely difficult to detect. Equipped with thermal imaging cameras, it allows Ukrainian forces to locate and strike targets with precision. Aerorozvidka R18 is designed primarily for precision aerial strikes. Here are its key technical specifications. Drone type: octocopter UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle. Payload capacity: can carry up to 5 kg of explosives, such as RKG 1000 600 anti-tank grenades. Range: approximately 4K. Flight time: around 40 minutes per mission. Camera: equipped with thermal and night vision cameras for 24/7 operation. Stealth features: operates silently, making it difficult for radar and enemy forces to detect. Autonomy: operated via remote controller, but can perform semi-autonomous missions. Attack capability: drops explosive payloads directly over enemy vehicles, bunkers, and fortified positions. Design and build quality: the R18 is an octocopter, meaning it has 8 rotors, which provide exceptional stability and agility. This design allows it to hover over targets with pinpoint accuracy before deploying its payload. The drone is made using lightweight carbon fiber, making it durable yet highly maneuverable. A key advantage of the R18's design is its modular construction, allowing rapid assembly and disassembly in the field. This means Ukrainian forces can transport and deploy it quickly without needing an extensive launch setup. Furthermore, its silent propulsion system enables covert operations, allowing it to strike enemy tanks and artillery with minimal risk of detection. The thermal imaging and night vision cameras mounted on the R18 give it an edge in nighttime operations. This capability has allowed Ukrainian forces to conduct ambushes and surprise attacks on Russian armored columns under the cover of darkness. Costs and availability: unlike large military drones like the Bayraktar TB2, the Aerorozvidka R18 is relatively affordable, costing between $20,000 to $30,000 per unit. This makes it a cost-effective weapon against multi-million-dollar enemy tanks. The Ukrainian government and military actively produce these drones, with support from private donors and international allies. Due to its effectiveness, Ukraine has ramped up domestic drone production, with engineers and specialists assembling new units rapidly. The cost efficiency of the R18 makes it an ideal choice for modern drone warfare. Final thoughts: the Aerorozvidka R18 is a prime example of how modern drone technology is changing the battlefield. Its stealth, precision, and affordability make it one of Ukraine's most effective combat tools against enemy forces. Whether it's taking out armored vehicles, artillery positions, or surveillance missions, the R18 has proven its worth in high-stakes warfare. That wraps up today's AutoSpecs review. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest technology. Stay tuned for our next episode.